friends, welcome to our second session on Python tutorial. Now first of all check that we have installed Python or not. Many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. To check if you have Python installed on a Windows PC, search in the start bar for Python or run the following on the command line. C users, your name greater than Python version. To check if you have Python installed on a Linux or Mac, then on Linux open the command line or on Mac open the terminal and type Python version. If you find that you do not have Python installed on your computer, then you can download it for free from the website https://www.python.org/. After installing, now quickly start Python. Before that, Python is an interpreted programming language. This means that as a developer you write Python files in a text editor and then put those files into the Python interpreter to be executed. The way to run a Python file is like this on the command line. C users, your name greater than Python hello-world.py, where hello-world.py is the name of your Python file. Let's write our first Python file, called hello-world.py, which can be done in any text editor. hello-world.py print, hello, world. Simple as that. Save your file, open your command line, navigate to the directory where you saved your file, and run. C users, your name greater than Python hello-world.py. The output should read, hello, world. Congratulations! You have written and executed your first Python program. Now, the Python command line. To test a short amount of code in Python, sometimes it is quickest and easiest not to write the code in a file. This is made possible because Python can be run as a command line itself. Type the following on the Windows, Mac or Linux command line. C users, your name greater than Python or. If the Python command did not work, you can try P. Like that. C users, your name greater than P. From there you can write any Python, including a hello world example from earlier in the tutorial, which is like greater than print hello world, which will write hello world in the command line. Whenever you are done in the Python command line, you can simply type the following to quit the Python command line interface. Exit. Lastly, thanks you for watching, and if you found it useful then please subscribe to our channel. It will motivate us to make more videos for you.